Hello everyone, welcome back to the Limpiar YouTube channel. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the mess and unsure who to trust with your home?
Let's be honest, inviting someone into your clean space can be nerve-wracking.
But what if I told you there's a cleaning company that prioritizes trustworthy and reliable cleaning customer service above all else? That's Limpiar Cleaning Services. Imagine coming home to this every week. No stress, no mess, just pure relaxation.
But Limpiar offers more than just sparkling surfaces.
They understand that a good customer service is the foundation of a truly exceptional experience.
Think about it, peace of mind. Experienced, vetted technicians ensure your home is in safe hands. Open communication, clear expectations, and 24/7 availability for questions and concerns.
Respectful and professional, your privacy and belongings are treated with utmost care. Flexibility and understanding, adapting to your schedule and needs whenever possible. Going the extra mile, personalized service, and a commitment to exceeding your expectations. Now, finding trustworthy and reliable cleaning customer service can feel like searching for a unicorn.
But with Limpiar, it's simple.
Here's why. 1. Our technicians are more than just cleaners. They're trusted professionals. 2. We tailor our services to your specific needs and preferences. 3. We stand behind our work and are committed to making you happy.
4. Check out our website for testimonials from satisfied customers. But don't just take our word for it.
Experience the Limpiar difference yourself.
Contact us today for a free consultation and quote. Remember, trustworthy and reliable cleaning customer service shouldn't be a luxury. It should be the standard.
Let Limpiar show you why they're the best choice for your home. And before you go, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of happy customers who enjoy clean homes and exceptional service. We share cleaning tips, special offers, and more.
Until next time, happy cleaning.